firstly, we must begin with the context that the world is severely off track. The latest Sustainable Development Goals or SDG Progress Report finds that only 14% of the 169 targets adopted under SDGs are on track. 40% have even regressed and 20% are not even tracked. It is time that acceleration is needed. The similar situation is also there for the climate goals according to the first stocktake. We are not cutting down emissions, we are not adapting enough. So, to accelerate both SDGs and the climate goals, we need partnerships as a crucial accelerator. Keeping this in the background, WSDS 2025 will be focusing on the theme of partnerships for accelerating sustainable development and climate solutions. The World Sustainable Development Summit is designed to serve as a platform to encourage exchange of ideas. WSDS is a Track 1.5 event which encourages multiple stakeholders to come together in the spirit of exchanging knowledge and fostering collaboration. Since WSDS is a Track 1.5 initiative and a platform, we hope that WSDS will be able to advance both ambition and action through bringing together multiple stakeholders together. WSDS 2025 comes at a very crucial background. So in terms of three key takeaways, we must expect WSDS to elevate the ambition and action in three crucial global areas. First is the SDGs itself. There is only 5 years to go for the benchmark year for completion of the SDGs. So what are the kind of accelerators that are needed for SDGs? Partnerships being one of them. The second global agenda where we expect WSDS messaging is to set a stage from a global south perspective for the upcoming COP30, which is going to be held in Belém, Brazil. The third key takeaways is that we must see more ambition and not just incrementalism in the third round of the Nationally Determined Contribution or NDC 3.0, which is due to be submitted by various countries this year. These are the three global level key takeaways which we can expect from WSDS 2025.